Three, two, one. Hey guys, Hokie for Life here, coming back at you with another video. And today, the first series in the first race of Rising Star in the Orange and Maroon truck. Oh, ow. And now the truck doesn't run till he comes out in front of me, of course. This is a 20 lap race and we're already out of the contention early. Thanks a lot, white truck. You suck. You suck dick. I don't want to wreck this thing, but I might. Ow. Well, at least it's a caution, but ow. Up, and the entire rear of the truck is just, the entire truck is just killed. It can't even drive anymore. This thing isn't even drivable anymore. I gotta make it to the yellow flag without being lapped, which I did. Alright, lap, I think, 7 restart. No, it's a lap 5 restart, so we're doing a 1 lap shootout for the stage. Get out of the way! Damn it! Ooh, beating and banging for the stage win, and it's gonna be side by side, fighting to the line, and it's gonna be white stealing it. Gotta get third. Nope, it won't kick in reverse. Fuck, I got last. The truck didn't kick in reverse. Stage 2, 5 laps, then stage 3, 10 laps. I need to lock myself in the playoffs. Well, I'm content with running P3 for now. I'm content back here. Alright, I'm not okay with that, though. I'm gonna wreck that guy when I get back up to him. I'll say, yeah, my chair just fell over. I need a caution. And that's the caution I needed. Caution is out. Ow. Bitch parked in the middle. Bitch parked in the middle of the track. 1 lap left in the stage. Another 1 lap shootout for the stage. Gringer, and I'm gonna take them 3 wide. Down low this time. Oh, bitch just tried to jump me. Hey, spotter, go tell the white guy I'm sorry. Got sideways. Yeah. He's gonna win stage 2 if I don't make a late move on him. I had a horrible turn 4. Amazing turn 3. And it's gonna get me this stage win. And the big one happens! Down the front here at Martinsville. The entire field just smashing their way through that. Lucky stage 2 ended, or else that would have been huge. 10 more times around this oval. Oh, god damn. Way too aggressive, you moron. Oh, now he's brake checking me too. I'm gonna dump this guy into turn 3. I'm gonna dump this guy. I promise you that. I'm gonna dump this guy. I'm gonna dump his shit. And caution's out for the orange truck again as the field wrecks. As I'm gonna dump his shit eventually and actually be successful, but we're restarting with 6 to go. Oh shit. Oh, that sucks. That's our day. The truck doesn't go! Fuck! So now that's definitely our day. With somehow me overdriving the turns. And the caution's out. The red flag's out. That's not a good sign. That was a horrible crash. The fact they have that wall poking out there at Martinsville sucks. Oh, they'll restart with 3 to go. Damn it. Oh, damn it. I'm way too far behind. No, somehow I still end up fighting these two for position. I'm gonna have to muscle by them on the outside. Now, you see, the outside though gave me a massive run down the back straightaway. Horrible turn 3, but a massive run down the front straightaway, which will end up in 2 to go, and the caution comes out. We will restart in overtime. Uh-oh. He dives into the turn. He got super sideways. He saves it. Running P4 in overtime. Caution's out. Caution's out. A huge wreck on the back. This time he's not playing around with these two. I'm not playing around with those two this time. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna go win. Get this red bitch out of my way. I'm winning this thing. Ain't stopping me. I'm making these playoffs off a win today. Coming to the white flag, and he will put the bumper to the back of the white truck, and that'll get them both super sideways, and he's gonna have to come to a full stop. 1, 2, 3. My engine's off. God damn it, that's okay. I'm gonna have to dive bomb the final turn if I'm even got a chance to do that. I can see what I did there. I'm gonna have to do that right over here in the final turn. Caution's out. The race will not be declared official. One lap shootout. Alright. Running P2. Gotta get to that side. I cannot make that work. I'm gonna just settle in behind him with some Martinsville tandeming. Put the bumper to the back of him, go under him, get dumped into the wall. Gotta continue on to the line, just don't even let off. Caution's out, almost flipped. The race still not official. Gotta make it back to the finish under green, which is just physically impossible for these guys. So yeah, I think we're good to go. Oh, the car won't turn! It's broken. This shit's broken as fuck. Red flag immediately because the car will not turn. Let's go for one more attempt at this. Caution.
Put your booger rag on. These are hot.
Okay. Still all up and yep, orange. You just if orange got. Oh my god, green. That's way too aggressive. Oh my god, we still got 2 to go. Well, this is the white flag. We still got 1 entire turn to go. You can chill out. Is that oh. Alright, gotta get to him, gotta get by him somehow, gotta get by him somehow. Gotta get by him somehow. Oh, we're side by side, we're gonna be side by side, coming to the line. Who's it gonna be? It's gonna be me by inches. Alright, let me go ahead and just stop the AI